The game I always wanted.
What game is it? Transformers.
I close your eyes.
Again? Okay, the phone. Just put it on PlayStation 3.
Alright, open.
Another wrap.
Rip it, come on.
You got me. This is the actual. 2009 is the best. You got me. Tell me. I don't know what to say.
Close your eyes.
Again? Okay. Put it on PlayStation 3.
Alright, open. That one didn't get wrapped.
What?
There's two
Are you
more.
kidding? I have. Alright, more. Oh my god, Tom!
Three!
Thomas! There's one more! What's this? Thank you, Tommy.
Tracy gave you a couple too.
I gave you that, and I gave you the Transformers.
You gave me this?
That and the Transformers, yep.
Thank you guys so
Welcome.
much.
Big
Wow.
surprise.
I got.
Or what? Tell me, what about the other stuff?
What stuff?
Today.
Huh?
Today.
Huh?
Today.
Oh, what is it at?
I didn't bring anything here.
Oh, that's in there.
There's more?
You should get Tracy hugs.
Oh yeah.
Thank you.
There's more to come on again.
Okay.